Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to introduce you a new topic, which is React.js. So let's start with the question, what is React? React is a declarative, efficient and flexible JavaScript library for building reusable user interface component. It is component-based front-end library which focuses only on the view layer of the application. It is developed and maintained by Facebook, and now it is used in Facebook products like WhatsApp and Instagram as well. A React application is made up of multiple components. Each component is responsible for outputting a small, reusable piece of HTML code. These components can be nested with other components to allow complex applications to be built of simple building blocks. React also uses virtual DOM-based mechanism to fill data in HTML DOM. The virtual DOM works fast as it only changes individual DOM elements instead of reloading complete DOM every time. To create React app, we write React components that correspond to various elements. We organize these components inside higher level components which define the application structure. For example, we take a form that consists of many elements like input fields, labels or buttons. We can write each element of the form as React components, and then we combine it into a higher level component, like in this example, the form component itself. The form components will specify the structure of the form along with the elements inside of it. So why should you learn React.js? React is very powerful when it comes to create and build interactive applications. Based on this diagram, you can see that React is dominating the space of libraries or frameworks for building user interfaces. Also, having React in your resume can really expand your job opportunities since it is in high demand. In the future of this channel, I'm going to focus on teaching React by introducing different React topics every single week. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss any of those videos. Thanks for watching.